how to share NGL link on Facebook story. Ladies and gentlemen, good day. I hope everyone's well. If you have an NGL account, you will know that you go through these steps by copying your link right from here and then going over to Instagram and sharing it. So once you've actually done this, you will have the opportunity to share this to other accounts that are linked to your Instagram account. So what you're basically going to do is you are going to take your link and you're going to post it in over here, and you're going to complete this process. Now, once this is done, you're going to go ahead and post this to your story on the left hand side. Now, the thing is, if you do not have a Facebook account that is linked to your Instagram account, this will not actually be possible. And let me show you the steps. So here is our new link, and as you can see, we can go ahead and tap on more, and we can go down and we can say share, and it'll give you this window. So basically from this window you can share to all of your apps. You can also go over to the right hand side. If you scroll a little bit more and you tap on more, you will see that there are more apps available to share to. Then right on the top of the screen, there's a pencil icon, and this will allow you to see even more apps and avenues. So as you can see, the very top line on the right hand side, it says Facebook newsfeed, and if you go a few lines down, there is another Facebook and it says your groups. Now there are no more Facebooks over here, so there's no Facebook story. But if your Facebook account is connected to your Instagram account, then this will be a possibility. You will have a Facebook icon here that says Facebook, your story, and you'll then be able to tap on that and it'll share it directly to your story. If you want to know more NGL tips, you can go ahead, tap on the video right over here, and we will see you over there.